Hey, I'm JD and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a video on a 21 jewel Hamilton pocket watch. Just a review. So quick watch check here. I'm wearing an Amphibia Reef. Beautiful dive watch. And it's a GMT as well, although the GMT hand is fixed, so it doesn't rotate independently. So that's a Amphibia, very nice watch. So let's get on with it.
Go for it.
Okay, so here we have a Hamilton, very beautiful Hamilton 21 jewel, and they're called bar over crown. There's the bar there. This is a bar over crown pocket watch. So you'll see the BOC, you'll see BOC when you look these things up, but it's a gorgeous case, and this is a Salesman case. And you know it's a Salesman case because when you flip the darn thing around, it's see-through. So the Salesman cases were totally see-through, and you see I'm just take the back off this thing like this, and I'll dump it. And let's just take this off and dump it. Hang on, there we go. There's the case, and get a close-up of that movement here, and that's just a gorgeous watch movement, right? And so that's a 21 jewel Hamilton. It's adjusted to 5 positions, and these are 9 karat, I believe 9 karat gold settings, and they're raised settings. So if you look at this sideways, I just moved this sideways, you'll see the settings are just a bit raised, right? So it's a beautiful, beautiful watch. And the watch is also, it's got a very, very high amplitude, and it's really nice. So let me just show you how you set the time on this watch. So screw this back on, and that goes on nice and tight, as you can see. And these were railroad grade watches. So this is a Hamilton 21 jewel railroad grade, and you would have to set the watch using this lever here. They're lever set, so there's the lever here, and you'd pull the lever out like this, and then you turn the crown, and then the watch sets. And this was to prevent your average railroad guy from accidentally pulling the crown out and setting the watch. So they're very beautiful. So it's also got the red indicators all around here, go around to the 60 minutes on that side, which is just more detail that's needed in the and the lettering is I'll call it Roman fancy lettering, maybe, or Greek, something like that. Don't know. Anyway, so that's how you set the watch, and the face of it's in mint condition.
Don't you have to put that lever back in?
Oh my goodness, that's a good, very good comment, dear. That's my wife speaking, the camera woman. And so I just use my fingernail here and go, and it snaps back in, and then that sets it. It's in winding mode right now, right? Although I wound it up already a few minutes ago, so you can't wind it anymore. And so now I can put the case on, there we go, the crystal back on, and that's a gorgeous crystal, and that's glass like that. You can tell when you tap on it with your fingernail whether it's glass or not. So there it is. That's the Hamilton 21 jewel railroad grade bar over crown pocket watch. Highly, highly collectible. And you can even see the magnificent dome on that crystal. Look how high that dome goes up. That's just a gorgeous dome on that crystal. So there you go.